Hey guys, so at this point in our project that we're doing, we might need a little help with creating that chart. So this is just kind of a tutorial on what you can do. So for my baseline question, I'm going to say for all of my interviewees, I'm going to ask them how many years they stayed at their first job. So I went into Google Sheets. So if you go to, um, your Drive, you can go to the apps that are up here. Sorry, mine's going a little. You can go to Sheets and create a blank one. I went into my cells and I created in column A, I labeled it interview and I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need to put their names. You can just identify them with a number. In my B column, I made the label years and I just put how many years they stayed in their first job. If they stayed there less than a year, you can, maybe put it as, half a year, however you want to do that. In order to insert a graph, I'm going to left click and drag through all of my data. I'm going to go up to the ribbon and hit insert. Once I've gone to insert, I'm going to go down my list and I'm going to hit chart. And what Sheets is going to do is they're going to just create a basic chart for you. This is not done yet. You can go over to the chart editor and you can, change what type of graph you want on here. I'm going to change it for this just for the sake of doing it. You want to make sure your labels are here. So years, interview. The one thing that I for sure want to change is the title. And I'm going to just put how long did they work at their first job. You can make it whatever you want. So once you've done that, your chart is complete. In the instructions, it talks about how you have to reference your chart somewhere in the article. If you want to include this in your article, all you have to do is right click and you can copy it, or you can go up here and go to copy chart, and then go to your article and then just paste it into your document. You don't have to link it when it says link to spreadsheet. That means if you change anything on this, it'll automatically update that. So I'm just going to say link to spreadsheet. That way, if I go back and something was incorrect, it'll automatically update it. And you can just have this somewhere in your document if you want. I think that would look really decent. If you don't put this in your article that you're writing, then you do need to upload this to Google Classroom on the assignment post, just so I can see it. So if you have any questions about that, let me know, and I will certainly help you out with that. Hopefully this gives you a little